Hey guys, it's Wolfie Chan here, and today I'm going to show you my fidgets that I got today. So here's the pink one. I got the same set as Lunar, so it's... And now the bouncy balls. And these things, I forgot what they're called. We got the tubes. We got this thing. My friend's going to show me how to make what she made. And we got the peanut. And we got these. We got this rainbow one. Rainbow Poppet. And these, I don't know what they do actually. We got the finish spinner fidget dimple. And we got this one. I really love this one. And that's it. Bye everybody.